In day 6 of the Synagogue trial, the prosecution has been showing the jury many disturbing images, autopsy photos and diagrams graphically showing the fatal wounds inflicted on the victims.
The judge has allowed the jury to see the images over defense objections, but are they necessary to the prosecution's case? Andy Sheehan was in the courtroom and joins us now with the latest. Andy.
Well, Ken, these images are difficult to see for both the jury and family members, but the prosecution argues they're necessary to be admitted. One after one, forensic pathologists describe with photos and diagrams the ghastly wounds inflicted on each of the 11 fatal victims of the Synagogue massacre, detailing their autopsies conducted that day at the Allegheny County Medical Examiner's Office. The court will not supply and we will not show these terrible images nor describe the nature of those wounds, except to say most of the victims were shot multiple times and most were shot in the head, all at close range with an AK-47, a high-powered military-style rifle. Rifle shots to the head are very devastating, forensic pathologist Ashton Ennis testified. With rifle wounds, the bullet moves much more quickly, with much more energy. It's a much more destructive wound. The government has said showing these images is necessary to establish the force and malice of the defendant. And St. Vincent College law professor Bruce Ankowiak says the government has but one aim.
It's necessary for the very purpose of this whole proceeding, which is to move this jury to the death penalty. The government essentially is arguing this is more than a first-degree murder. This is a crime driven by a willfulness, a level of malice that would indicate a hatred on the part of the defendant towards these innocent people.
The defense unsuccessfully argued against the images being admitted, saying it would prejudice their client. Judge Robert Colville told the jury they were to, quote, not let the photos stir up your emotions and prejudice the defendant, Robert Bowers. But Ankowiak says they greatly support charges of a religious hate crime resulting in death.
The degree to which the wounds would indicate that these people were in a helpless position when they were killed, the number of shots used on each individual, far more than would be necessary to simply cause death, would be an indication from the government's point of view that this was an act driven by an inner hatred of individuals on the basis of their religious beliefs solely.
Now, guilt in this case is pretty much a foregone conclusion, but the government will be citing this evidence in the penalty phase when they will ask the jury to impose the death penalty. Reporting live at the U.S. Courthouse downtown, Andy Sheehan, KDKA News.